A 3310 Armstrong photon liberates an electron from a material with energy 3 multiplied 10 power minus 19 joule, while another 5000 Armstrong photon ejects an electron with energy 0.972 multiplied 10 power minus 19 joule from the same material. Determine the value of Planck's constant and the threshold wavelength of the material. H nu equals H nu naught plus K max. H nu is the energy of the incident photon, H nu naught is the work function of the metal, K max is the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electron. Let us write K max equals H nu minus H nu naught. Nu is replaced by C upon lambda, whereas nu naught is replaced by C upon lambda naught. The maximum kinetic energy of the ejected electron is K max. The Hc is common in both terms, so Hc multiply 1 upon lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught. There are two photons are given with different wavelength. So for lambda 1, 3310 Armstrong, the K max K1 equals Hc multiply 1 upon lambda 1 minus 1 upon lambda naught. For the second wavelength lambda 2 equals 5000 Armstrong, we have K2 equals Hc multiply 1 upon lambda 2 minus 1 upon lambda naught. Subtracting these equations, we get H1 minus K1 minus K2 equals Hc multiply 1 upon lambda 1 minus 1 upon lambda 2. Substituting this value K1 and K2, the common is 10 power minus 19. Within bracket we have 3 minus 0.972 equals Hc divided by 10 power minus 10 multiply 1 divided by 3310 minus 1 upon 5000. 3 minus 0.972 becomes 2.028 multiply 10 power minus 29 equals H multiply 3 multiply 10 power 8. And within bracket 5000 minus 3310 divided by 3310 multiply 5000. So we get 2.028 multiply 10 power minus 29 equals H multiply 3.063 multiply 10 power 4. From here we get H equals 2.028 multiply 10 power minus 29 divided by 3.063 multiply 10 power 4. So H equals 6.62 multiply 10 power minus 34 joule second. The work function of the metal. Phi naught equals Hc upon lambda minus K max. For lambda 1, 3310 Armstrong, the K1 value is 3 multiplied 10 power minus 19 joule. So phi naught equals Hc upon lambda 1 minus K1. P naught equals the value of H is 6.62 multiplied 10 power minus 34. The value of C is 3 multiplied 10 power 8. The value of lambda 1 is 3310 multiplied 10 power minus 10 minus the value of K1 is 3 multiplied 10 power minus 19. The first term of this right hand side becomes 6 minus 3 multiplied 10 power minus 19. P naught equals 3 multiplied 10 power minus 19 joule. The work function we found as 3 multiplied 10 power minus 19 joule. Let us find the threshold wavelength of the material. Hc upon lambda naught equals phi naught. Lambda naught equals Hc upon phi naught. Substituting the value of H as 6.62 multiplied 10 power minus 34, the value of C is 3 multiplied 10 power 8 divided by 3 multiplied 10 power minus 19. 3 is getting cancelled. So we get lambda naught equals 6.62 multiplied 10 power minus 7 meter. Lambda naught is 6620 multiplied 10 power minus 10 meter. In Armstrong, we can write lambda naught equals 6620 Armstrong.